Hello, my friends. I am here to share with you some Merry Mail that I have received. And I gotta tell you that I cut this one open because it had something pretty on it that I want to use in my December daily. So, and I'm trying to think now what it was. Oh, it could have been the cute stamps. There was some really adorable Charlie Brown stamps, and so I cut that out. I didn't look inside, but I did cut that off, and I've pre-opened this. So anyway, friends, let's have a look at this Merry Mail. This comes from our friend Marissa at Fun Size Crafter. Look at this precious card that she made, and it has this adorable gingerbread on it, and it's so cute. Home sweet gingerbread home. That's adorable. Aw, and she put some goodies in here. These are so cute. All right, let me read the card first. She took the time to write in multiple color inks. It says, "Hi, Jovi." She says she hopes my holiday is filled with warmth, comfort, and good cheer. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hugs, Marissa, aka Fun Size Crafter. And look at this. This is an envelope, and it's so cute with a little sweater and a hat on it. That's absolutely adorable. And then here we have a gift card holder. Look how cute this is. So adorable. Thank you, my friend. That's so generous of you. And this card comes from our friend Sue at Crafty Sue 519. Oh, this is such a cool card. Oh my gosh, look at these stockings, and you can't feel it, but it's embossed, so it feels really cool. Look at this. Let me get close for you. Look how cute that is. It's so unusual and unique. Jovi, wishing you all the best this holiday season. Enjoy an awesome Christmas with your family. May 2025 bring you all you dream for. Hugs, Sue. Thank you so much, Sue. I really appreciate this, and I love this card. It's so unique and fun. So this first one comes from my friend Jennifer of Scrapbooks and Memories. And Jennifer, I want to let you know that they tore the top of the envelope off, and I could see that you put goodies in there, so hopefully nothing's missing. But anyway, it looks like everything is still in there. Hopefully that's the case. This is a beautiful handmade card by Jennifer. Look at it, you guys. It's so pretty. I love this cream-colored embossed paper you have there. That's so beautiful. Aw, hold on. Look at that. Is that so cute? Oh my gosh, I love that. I can use this in a journal. That's adorable. Oh, look at this tag. Oh, so cute. Adorable. Aw, and this one too. Aw, so cute. Thank you, Jennifer, for these. They're beautiful. And she says, happy holidays and a big happy birthday hug. Thank you, Jennifer. Wishing you a warm and bright December. Thanks for being such an awesome crafty friend. I've enjoyed getting to know you these past 6 months and look forward to growing our friendship. Your friend, Jennifer. And I feel the same way, Jennifer. And it's been such a pleasure to have you on the design team, and I love your work. So I appreciate that. And I appreciate this card and these beautiful goodies that you gave me. So lovely. And this one, my friends, is from our friend Misty of Magical Misty. I love this card. It says, treetops glisten, and these pop up a little bit, so that's super, super cute. May the season bring lots of merriment. I hope you have a beautiful season, Misty. Thank you so much, Misty. I appreciate that. I love your beautiful card. I hang all of the cards that you guys send me in my foyer, so every time I walk in or out of the front door, I can see them. Now this one is from my friend Tanya of Side Gig Crafts. Merry Christmas. Jovi, may you find peace and joy in the many wonders of the season. Merry Christmas, sweet friend. Wishing you all the best for the new year, Tanya. Thank you so much, Tanya. I appreciate this. I'll have to show you guys the foyer so you can see how I hang them. So this one is from our friend Patty, and her channel is Life with Patty. pretty sticker that I just had to tear to get the envelope open. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Patty, I love it. That's so adorable. Aww. Season's greetings. Hi, Jovi. Want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy New Year. I always love watching your videos. Love, Patty. Thank you so much, Patty. I appreciate that. And I love the card that you sent me. That's so cute. I love that Santa sticker. Adorable. This one is from our friend Rosemary of Rosemary You Rock Art. And she has a cute little snowman with reindeer antlers on. Says, sending warm wishes. A Christmas wish. Ah, look at these cool trees. These are so awesome, Rosemary. Check these out, you guys. I love the shape of them, and I love that you did them on patterned paper. That's really interesting. That's a lot of fun. Thank you for those. Jovi and family, may your greatest gifts this Christmas be the love and good company of family and friends. Merry Christmas, love, Rosemary and Jack. Thank you, Rosemary and Jack. You're right. That is the most beautiful gift, is spending time with my family, and I do love doing that. And it brings me so much joy. So my friends, I want to thank you for sending me some wonderful Merry Mail. I truly appreciate it. I'm going to show you a picture of my foyer with these cards hanging on it. This is my card wall, friends, and I want to show you this stocking piece that I made. I made that when I first started my YouTube channel, and I cut a stocking in half and I mounted it on scrapbook paper, which was mounted on top of a canvas, and so I have that hanging in the foyer. Let me back up a little. There we go, so you can see both of them. And I have the ice skates hanging in between. I just think that looks cute. So here we have all the cards so far that you guys have sent me, and of course there's Ryan Reynolds there. Because I hung that because I thought that was really funny. So I hung that up. And here's the rest of the cards so far that you guys have sent me. Now let me move away a little bit more so that you can see the whole thing. My foyer is not that large, so I'm leaned up against another wall. But anyway, there it is, my friends. So thank you so much.